so no mo fa to gold no mo to gold ni ye etuaka ye ni enso nya be ye de sese de o man mu enti se wo abasa wati gold board na wo baji gold na to ye family aban no won to a ye ka akere wo obi otu gold wonye kokoku ani se de mabu kokoku afọ kwase asa no pese o tra de ba gold num e bu gold fo nso kwase amebo a ha gold no gold board for mo ba no ni etu gold ni sei we be say NDC for gold board for mo ba no ni etu gold ni sei £1 bi ana ye to ni sei $12,000
any brain to say 12,000 or cut it to tree Daniel Fay your tone say Bonnie and Chair you're trying to say
12,000 12,000 and over
and they say you're trying to say
12,000
and they say you're trying to say Danny man
12,000 and over and what about too good your friend say 8,000
hey what is 4,000 Danny you free swear Samijan fee to gold no 8,000 instead of 12,000 na man for na hia omo we no so obey omo yi no
reset adani ntwidie it's a good board
ni ya to Kwadwo so no ni ya to no 12,000 Samijan fee si esisi omo it is a gold board e ba obeto ni yi amu omo 8,000 Eko kan omu twa madapa madaroma same facha me wate koso to ni 8,000 same in fact so kura teso why emra form small scale minus no e beba form beba 6,000 na die metia me hu na da bia meka munya hui
dabi o ene
Krono a ya plan ya ye bɔ mo pa mo hu ye kyese ye nenam ne ye che ene we ye ne ye na hwirim no aduru ho me de wakɔ makoye operation ma ne aboye nsɛm ene University of Ghana Medical Center for wa mu si wo ma de hwirim monye cement ne aboye nsɛm hwia Chimi Ghana for Onya ko training ni sti ani ma o drive president man hey we humble chauffeur Ibra Ibrahim you almost ha o we are yeah Ibrahim na ngaso film me wa fa kwasi jima yi ase asante jima ana first time you share oh point blank or walking up to me no so me po Sompa na wo ye no se me hu no me nko hu ne da ana hu hia me me hia na ya bontreni ase me hia hwe na de me hu se ekoso anya na meka na Ibra me hu se manfo na ninte de mo ye o mu hu no koso
Ibra toaso
we okura na ayi Newmont
collect
brana men chiro tiji gold ni nyina de je man isi ni nyina ye bebo o tiji Ibra je hey Newmont for no ho onye
collect
Anglo gold Ashanti onye
collect
tini nyina ma de
collect
Ibra o wi aje boxer nyina yini de kan what
collect
ai no sa no obi enai chia kakra na ko ya ma no ombebo mo nsem ma o ati Ibra manfo ni hu ai manfo ne philanthropist so we o se dia kura na yi kakra kakra mo hu ati Ibra gadabra omo short memory so give it to them we are
Ibra pe ni kayampa ye o musa
oh Ghana for more abi we akadechere be didi ate wo menye wo musika so da menye wo minister da menye wo CEO da enso katechere ne didi na tem no mo ewi o mo na Nkansah for mo adi
ombo nsemo Ibra koso wai
jana
oyene
ndi we ni ya ko ablekuma eno ya hwe mpipi fo ablekuma ena nkrofo ani age ya hwe mo
papa
ena nkrofo ani age
posisa
but and abisiu. You see, Kwaku anyi do huye che no. Na Kwaku ye NDC ni. Na me MPP ni. Ba me ne hanabisiu na sure call eye police headquarters. Emi abu ye tu nsuo gu ye so. You know why? My principle, it was abuse of power. And I was not in support of that. Ye chi bobi ansa. Chibani no ye omo national deputy organizer. Eba ho. About 12 na Chibani 12 boy about 10 na Chibani ko akoda. Me da police station one man bo anopa 4. Me ni bobi ansa mumusa no. You know why? It was abuse of power, and I was not in support of it. Exactly. I was West Ogo. My position is very known and clear. It is and then it shouldn't be anything different. And as I'm judge, I need to kuto or see a bonenra. It's in a buobia, a normal. So it means on principle, it's not against. So we are against political violence. But because now we're receiving end, and now we more fire. So you be running man funny through. 2016, Collins down the Nyanaba, or Fasikai, and then the boys. Naba. So political violence, you to know Amabano. And Statium Free I was West the narrative is becoming as though NDC is justified to do what they did yesterday at Ablikuma because of what happened at Ayawaso. Any one of the two is stupid and a nonsense. I'm not in support of it. My young man for new will be a political violence strategy. The other kind, 1992, time one year back into 1992 a year election. You see about democracy and from J.J. Rawlings rule. I'm not telling about Munchen ye. Not J.J. Rawlings war a year unit be in the military. I am from 64 battalion, 64 infantry battalion, battalion 64. Exactly so. But Flo Latin and this battalion 64 no anymore. Munko Busadi or Modi battalion 64. A year will chroma in 1992. Munko Busa. More fire. And Golan Musha. Teach them. My good Motia. It's money baby a free background. 1992, and this for Santa Mayaba no Musha team movement. Ego movement to say ego party in Yadiania, Santa Mufuriata, or you will require more funny than you Furiata. A year you want one Furiata money. You should this yourself. What was some Rollins cousin? Na memamo antecedent. Kovi, when him say a tour baby, no back 1992 year the canto presidential election we and Sunny ever 2 year parliamentary election. Near 2 presidential election we the way a J.J. Rawlings you sue a year the people and the abuse MPP for Tienye, and I'm telling about Muntia a year. The Munshia dear. Precisely. Educate. Or more you sue the state power and the abuse soon conform to the extent that you hear the people's verdict. To make a one Professor Dubois he control the stolen verdict. Oh, young people need a best you don't know anything about the stolen verdict. It's when people know anything. We young people need if you cast a political vigilance, MPP for the political vigilance by most of the reforms are in our political dispensation. It is MPP that proposed it because NDC always believed in young from Bugan winning election. It didn't turn into two. When we bring Crawford to the point, say, you can see a boycott a parliamentary election. Certain President Kufone Kwame Safo Dumus would be me and boycott said the Enrana and Rechina way in the Yen1. ABC and boycott, ABC me and boycott Yablikuma. A sipping. 1992. Your 2 presidential election win. And the Dubois he said, yes, he said, almost your boy and your DNA, or more we are a verdict in it. And your parliamentary election, young boycotting. And your boycotting. Your money. Your boycott you go be. Oko Drew Chebi, for instance, Mami Yusu Chebi. Sometimes NDC for any Eagle Party in the core alliance. So Mobeya Yiniati. Na ore kwa mo fa na stand there ewo Eagle Party wo ye Chebi ne Mpotemu. Ebuakwa South. Tienio. Munti hayi. Fire. Ore kwa mo fa wini ye as parliamentary candidate. Onim se Chebi ne Mpotemu. It became an abomination to be even an MPP member. Exactly. So yɛhyɛ bon nkrɔfoɔ wɔ kyɛbi ne ne mpɔtɛ mu yɛbiri mu nkrɔfoɔ saa time JJ Rollins cousin yɛfrɛ no susudis ɛmo a mo nyini kakra no yɛ meka mu nim ɔno owura kɔ amofa Daniel Foriata ɛne ɔmo keka ho ɔmo hyɛ da kɔfa nkrɔfoɔ bɛgu kyɛbi kyɛ sɛ yɛwo sɛ ɔyɛ MPP a yɛ bon nkrɔfoɔ ma nkrɔfoɔ migrate free kyɛbi ɛtu dwane ɛgya kuro bi kyɛbi became like a graveyard. Political violence 1992 adanya NDC we need to me 10 years yɛkyerɛ Akufo-Addo kɔka sɛ yɛkyerɛ wɔn biribi kakra bi wɔ atiwa no. It is because over the period they have been abusing the people. They've been abusing MPP. Now they say MPP akoye bi wa ya waso. Enti NDC dey no ye na retaliation. NDC mo Jimmy from then we go so Jimmy sa abuse people sa. No fire. Over 1996. And we see as abedru here the same intimidation taxes. So far ayi Chief Asoka. One in the boys. Chief Asoka. 96. One in the boys. Tamaleni mpotem woni north for the na chisi enko okura. This what has Oka boys. Bring microphone as at a moment no more the new gu ballot box. What to make up? We hear Yombekum. When it turns me, we hear Yombekum. Saturn MPP, the year Bukulong, the shirt in a year. MPP for Muntian ye. Mamu Mane Yesaya was so west in the started political violence. And this narrative no cannot stand. Muntia ye. 1996. Emma Mikroma Santiago, Commander JJ Graphics, one chairman. And the boy knew Santiago. It became the deciding factor in Ghanaian election. And we say it was mad with violence. Commander Graphics, 96. Go and look at the history. When we used to JJ Rollins did the whole military and the Ghana, abusing Santiago. Commander Graphics in Andy Pena, some year Filino, because one of our year MP near dinner. Well, you say Manu, oh, yeah, dear. One of say the political violence and starting it. The only time where you lucky kakra, there was because 2000, and the wind of change was so massive that if they had tried anything of that nature, and kept a bit careful. And around the 2000 election, there were pockets of violence here and there. And most of them was NDC. They perpetrated such crime.
Exactly so.
Even internal election, NDC for lose election, Omuko internal election. Yet you come say 2004. Was it 2002 or 2004? Omoko Omu internal election, Obeda Samuamo. Omo Shi Obeda Samuat Tieti and a show. More fire. I didn't know Francis is CM NDC baby. Mumusam ho question. And the Sompa we pursue rebranding Hose as MPP na violent no more retaliate. And the youth of the nation believe say MPP ade omo ye na ya wasunti and NDC Jimmy said omo Jimmy. That's not true. Omo Nkansah wo internal election. Anytime they won election, Danny for a Ghana Web report 2004. Fatoso Francis CM. Almost Francis CM Francis CM Ghanaian and we Ghana by MPP ni. Identify Francis CM. Oh NDC ni. Ya sure munti. Mumusa said the entire Gusitano free NDC. Messi ya sure better someone chairman of the NDC. Almost shenu tieti and shwaso. Johnson crowd Johnson no. Also ko Johnson. Almost man ko Johnson. That is NDC for you. Very abusive political party. And NDC say, Omu reason to Omuko Jimmy Yanra. Because MPP Jimmy why I was so west. And I'll tell you why I was so happened. And whether or not it is right or not. Francis says him. Fire. 2005. Yeah, she won Papa. And I did general secretary, general secretary. Almost sure teach your Obi, Yanina President for 2004. There was very little violence because we held the power. 10 years. After Yabeko 2008, about you to me, my dream, Namunti. Nakufado dear. Wouldn't me blame you for all these things? President Akufo-Addo. Messi, I blame you. Again, me blame you. yɛsɛ amfo bɛkyerɛ ne nto aso yɛte kurom ha 2008 owura kandapa ɔyɛ meame wɔfa ɔna na yɛ national security minister under president Kufuor ɛme yɛto aba party in government yes, security breaking. I'm a whole sitting president went to me and time for the last election, 2008 year to about 3 times. Time was the deciding factor. And this violence in President Kufuor went to me and time. Now see about 2024. Now President Kufuor also Obama a yemi of a kanda pano and asat now. I mean other co-election. What were you thinking? Obi ultimately na security breaking in 2008. No one side the security as I said 2024. See your fanko a ya battle. And then an award. Obi Muntian ye. Very weak leadership. Kura police, kura military. President Kufuor and Timmy and Murat time because of election violence of the NDC. Precisely. Danny? 10 years. As a political violence started in Ra. Mr. Time was so much in such a way that he had 2 time. And this was so violent that President Kufuor, whole sitting president, went to be on that time. After near Gusu, people for near Gusu, people. No, Omuji to me. Omuji to me 2009. 2009, Baba no more boys, no more boy Raha, Obaka no Kofi ayi Kwabenaji. I said there are many ways to kill a cat. Oh, and also there you 2016. The Mumu said you can't have boys and one wine here. It was a imitation of what happened in 2009. Precisely. Remind the people. It was because for so long the MPP had been abused politically, and this is very abusive. Nanya American, your mama na Nkansah kai. You called Chireponi by election in 2012. Danny, young already see in Chireponi in 2012. We are a talents by election. No one kwakoshe. I'm giving you guys records. Talents by election. And this is for real more to the point said. I've never been and Munchi. Danny.
Convention has raised serious issues with
Danny, hold on. We're talents by election. And then this is she more every more. This is a very violent party.
Exactly. So
now Akwatia MPP, Mr. General Secretary, Justin Kobe, I will support you any day, anytime, against anyone. Precisely. But what's no me Kobuya Kotia? Obi from national headquarters, we see the last person. You go. Someone to me, I'm prepared crowds. And yeah, a crowd near cry, and near Jatuo, beyond the Greek. No moment, someone to me, I'm prepared. No moment, NDC wants to succumb us. If Sadia or more person, we say total succumbent. Tienye, MPP for some minimum. At the end of Mama, Kwamani see and run. It's a very defeatist mindset.
Exactly. So,
see, I just say, or more plan is on Babuye. No more buying a branch and big dinner 1 year, idea.
Pound for pound.
Hey, Obakuan Wakon Conswa. Man was a menu about Kubi, Naneska, or Casse, and Branche, a draw with the Anominade, Obiana Bemanchobia. Then when did ja? Me were boys book, Massy, a boys be. Memo Bakuni, it's a Bakuni leader. Exactly. Enra, of course, we could get these boys onto the grounds and nothing will happen. Crazy. By the ja. It's a code as ASAP before see a beko a year kwatia. Ni antimi and galvanize your boys back into the fold. They say yet you ain't trust the police. You ain't trust the military. If so many boy man and I so you use military. It's ya boy on by. It is the antimi and prepare. No more sa could you for your so kwatia. Me say from the general secretary to the last person will be a free political party headquarters. I'm telling you, when you're ready, somebody get down, and we must lead like men.
Precisely,
not women. Your friend be threat of force. It's now when America for you, now Russia for you, now China for you. If it's a Bakum person, it is also a weapon of mass destruction. Now, so will be a young you see again. If so, president would be a president, yes.
Press.
Yet me Basintale Kwasiawi. Akala to be here and I Basintale baby answer that. Oh, who dear man. Now what me at now we move him right. Wemo. yini friso me ana mini pa no fu yini friso no ye o jimi do
More fire.
Eti general secretary the boys must come back on track Quincy Momo amusa betwi fire so wakotia mesi munyina mo be sori afri national and I'm telling you that one I'm telling you Momo amutwi fire so akotia and I know so muntwi fire so akotia ye nyina empentokwa nemom di if said do mo ye ne total circumvention and in the minds they are reorienting your people that MPP is a weak party and then most of our go be actually say we shall go to Akotia and we shall put the diamond on the ring okay
More fire.
now you free urban kofi talents by election yentie Bernard Mona
More fire.
Danny yentie Bernard Mona.
Post-national convention has raised serious issues with yesterday's by-elections, insisting it was marred by violence and votes buying. We've been joined on the phone by its General Secretary Bernard Mona. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. Aren't you just crying wolf?
You have your reporters on the ground. They steal from us, and you're saying I'm crying wolf.
Well,
Such utterances will perpetuate theft in our democratic order, and you better desist from it. It is not to play the devil's advocate when the mandate of the people has been stolen. You should be interested in helping us so that we can ensure that this kind of attitude is exterminated from our body politics. And so when you start from that note, it is not healthy for our democracy. We have raised issues. Your reporters were there where we insisted that they should do a recount of votes. They simply denied us because we do not have the force. And look at how you have started asking me the question.
And when you say the people's mandate has been stolen, what exactly do you mean?
The Electoral Commission connived. We cannot mince words with this one. The Electoral Commission connived
with who?
To deny us our appropriate votes.
Who do they connive with?
They have fictitiously placed us on third, so as to mean that the PNC, after all, did not even play second.
Bernard.
Let alone making the protest.
Bernard.
We asked for a recount. Listen to me. In one area, when we even said they should recount the rejected ballots, it turned out that of the 7 reclaimed ballot papers, 4 of them went to the PNC. How come that it is only in the PNC strongholds or areas that the PNC won that you saw so much rejected ballots? Is it
so? Wait, Danny, back to the studio. So where you Pakwasi, needing quite there. So when this by so an appointment, it took in line of questioning now. Now Bernard Mona Krabufui because it was clear, and this was using violence in talents to win election.
Exactly. So.
And a journalist that is supposed to condemn, no one to say no question. It's violence and starting talents. Mokumachina Mukonkope. Afe etiwa by election ba ovia tukomwa and also Danny hwehwe etiwa by election enie Danny bra bona manfo na hwe de si watiwa bona manfo na hwe de si watiwa
Danny play
Danny bo mo hwe de si watiwa o Bibini na oma bono eda ho a omokunu no etie ne ye moye mu we see we say 2012 2013 etiwa by election
2013
na esi ye no ana Akufo-Addo asem okokan ya oda bi da ya anti ase ache ana Akufo-Addo say omo ba ti omo be ye we no ana ye kire omo bibi kakra bi and the people resisted we said omo kwa de omo ye MPP fo ni o de omo ye MPP fo wa ti wani o Mose today
mind them.
Mose dey I was why dey I was why dey be I was when started political violence Debbie because some started way back in Etiwa, way back in Chireponi, way back in Talensi, way back in time. We were in this country. Civil society, no more among more individuals, and the band happened.
More fire.
Obibani idea they are bonnet timwa. Ye pejanako. Way. After ye the Dimo 2016. Gabriel Cheda come so more call a your friend say a demonstration go vi yanti kroma o man suma ko fam yanko bo man papa wo machi man fo ni tu Gabriel Cheda ko chi nyina papa man fo ni tu ma sa boy na wu boy na ni 2 year prime boy na wu Most I was west of going earlier day, and then share political violence. It's an untin NDC about Jimmy said, Debbie, NDC has been Jimmy in all these years. From the days of Adam. NDC Jimmy said, yeah, all these years. Until they got to a point. At no point do I support Penyah. MPP we need to me. Omonso more we need to me. We thought things were going to be different.
Exactly.
The same way you people used a year as an excuse to go and do what you did. Then people say omonso ma ye bia. And only I was so na young konkoshe ayawaso. Sam George. Of course. Dani Sam George video nebo. I was West Wogo was a retaliation of all the things that NDC had been doing.
Precisely.
But me, I condemn it with no uncertain terms.
Exactly.
Yaba 2016. Naba Collins down the mia. Or Nin and Crow for second to try and grow for trim. It was young people in a started political violence. Almost started that way. MPP started that way. MPP started political violence in that way. Na ya waso MPP nso kwa no mko ye bie very nonsensical way of leading. Do you do me, I do you. You do me, I do you. Fami kwa ya waso ni enko yeta mo hwe Sam George asum Dani so ya kwa hwe Sam George asum wo obi afi eno na be political narrative. It says you must say political violence that here da benya o meka chiro say ayawaso eti adenti na NDC koye do mo ye ye nura o say ayawaso emrante no babawa enye no kore. NDC has been doing what they've been doing over the years.
Exactly so.
It is very unfortunate that MPP in Suma or more kwan Emma ayawaso west wo kon happen here. But even with that, the difference is that and I'm saying MPP impel violence in even ayawaso die ni see. Okay, so yen hwa ayawaso die. Yen hwe ayawaso die. Danny audio.
You kill a man in his own house. I should what?
Okay, so Bobby, Shadia where you pow, and I'm a producer, you know, and a producer catch him say, but look at it clearly, where Sam George was provoking the security guys who were in the car. I told him that we are not going to justify any nonsense with anybody coming from car or not coming from car, anybody provoked or not provoked. It doesn't matter whether it will be provoking or be provoking. What happened in Ayawaso was shameful.
Exactly so.
Now MPP for justification for that, and it's over the period. And this is the and I've given you antecedent. I've given you precedence to Ayawaso.
Exactly
so nobody should sit here and say, the scene was a retaliation of Ayawaso.
Precisely.
So anybody, because now woman shy Ayawaso. Emma Sam George, your papa and I know, very unfortunate incident. But even that, the difference between that. Danny Bo.
No matter how long it takes, you will fight.
Okay, so I like assembly as Sam George Kanwaha. Danny, come back. Sam George make a statement, and the statement is a very profound statement. Sam George, some statement will mess a reminder one day. Tiere wanga sa kaye. If the time I was to see year 2019, na emma wadwene mu da. Se mo betimi win to me less than 6 years down the lane. Now o ka asem bi. Sam George, tie hayi. Tie Danibo.
So wrong on every score, but no matter how long it takes, you will fight.
Okay, so Sam George, I was some our kind and say, no matter how long it takes, you will pay.
Exactly.
Sam George, yeah, some of you.
Oh, George.
Some of the scene running a justification for the CIA was so there. And Sam George, it's just a reminder of your own words. No matter how long it takes, you will pay for what happened at Ayawaso. I'm telling you. Sam George, listen to what you said and then repeat it. What's it? No matter how long it takes, you will pay. You were right. Do you see why I was no? It was wrong. And yes, mobile, you know. Meanwhile, Criminal and Other Offences Act, it's more pangrophone this aboneno. Under your research agenda, to serve as a deterrent. Nenya bibi for now, most there be you've gone back to the old mode of unleashing violence. Sam George, in your own words, no matter how long it takes, you will pay for it. And I'm repeating the same thing. Sam George, just like Dr. Mahama Bamia said, we will not forget. If the people who if they go unpunished, nobody will forget it. Near koi and I buy. When I'm also the reset table. So this was wrong. Even that you look at the difference between the CNRA, which is how I come see Jina baby near Suman Crawford Samon Concobono. And some George are provocative. And Okran is wrong. Sam George was being extremely provocative. But you cannot justify violence with that. Sam George, let's repeat your words again. And then you repeat Sam George words and man.
So wrong. This is so wrong on every score. But no matter how long it takes, you will fight. This is so wrong. You killed a man in his own house.
Let's set it on record. Nobody was killed in his own house in Ayawaso. On record, nobody was killed in his own house. On record. Sam George Bacho. Ayawaso DSC. And your mama promised but what we did not see, they didn't pay attention. Your mama say, when it comes to political violence, nobody beats the NDC to it. They didn't pay attention to all kind of setting. Yenti your mama, yenti. Danny boy uncle.
Roots, but I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence. But I just want to sound a caution.
So hold on, Danny Posse. It wasn't that your mama was lying, no. Because over the period, the political party that unleashes violence is NDC.
Exactly so.
All of a sudden, they are rebranding as if so West will go by. South by. So your mama was stating fact. Say about unleashing violence, NDC number one.
Exactly so.
More fire.
And I'm here do baby MPP baby. So one would have expected. Senka Oba and also the reset table. As a leader, said the President Kufuor no. President Kufuor by na ya won Kufuor bebremu. Was my calling for national reconciliation. When you na mo metena se. Omo na esen kom ko je okura yan for man ko je. Omo ka omo asem we ya commission find your way. And the year reconciliation. Say be the nation will be healed. Now the nation is not healed. So much pain. Mama use why was so. Now your mama mbusa question. 2 me na beka mo nsem na se. Tina made 2 Basintale for. Basintale, you are young. You'll be in politics for long.
Precisely.
And when you want to be in politics for long, is this the nonsense you want to do? Enra, who we are, Enra, no one can say one ground so. Odi nkwasesem ni wie the day before no instructing microphone boys no. So the boys no call the day before. Ono ankasa anko ground so. O wie ya no tena flight him and I mean okay say what the Dubai what you know. The Dubai to join home. And then Basintale to me on flight tell no call. And no for VIP. And we'll call a na a member of flight or fire, you know. flight number. Me ma bibia come. Eti Basintale de Emirates Airlines. Flight number EK 788. I call UAE Dubai. Otu 1819. That is 619. Enre numere. Oko straight. And I'm not going to Basintale. One man crofoma ko Jimmy and on the only cronim. It's in Katijakr. Or no more a Kakakanwania walk. Basintale go Dubai. Or Dubai Minokas. Or the Wakamura. I know a turn or church on Kassim social media. Say, I Basintale, I will be here. Will you be here? Will you be here? No, so much flight tomorrow or Kokora. We jam to phone. Now, Basintale, the motor in a year. One more winning election year. Basintale to Jeep Alebon Basintale. You winning election year, you. Enrich year. Basintale to Jeep Alebon while customizing Basintale. Enrich year. Obey you. No busan is any pay. Yes, say it when you're scared free. Basintale, yes, free on the to Jeep while Lebon Basintale. Or my guinea more henti. No more who sikadenti. Sikano craft from. Nakaya public servant. Our Basintale, Yaba Trouble, you know you should Highland that day. And Mokaya. And your trouble be about to Jeep while Lebon Basintale. As Okatakyie see a Ghana phone because wedge me. One of Ubus when you're Sikawahi. Namena me hold you or more Aidano. Maybe you range over Papa Bia. Yes, I had a witchy range over. What Jimmy? Well, just 5K trick was a cock and hold. Maintain composure, easy. As you know, the Dubai. Menokas or the Dubai. When I'm here, Menokas say cock and hold, no cock and hold you. Oko Dubai. And you may hold Dubai. We don't want to know. Mo Basintale social media hono mo nkwe wato jeep brand new jeep or de Basintale abo akiri e say o sheda ba twitwi moto no a no agya akotwi jeep Basintale bazi wo de minimum ase o ba me hunu mi nsuro kapra one person akora mi nsuro na we omu fidi we go say one video is a political power and funny enough yenya win election we are na make 2016 say an MPP for the budget so say we win we say an budget so okakra the people will mind you again and that's what political power is. Now after a year reality was setting. The people will no longer fall for the gimmicks and Basintale you will be exposed. There will be some who command the town. In 2016, Samuel Oku was commanding the grounds more than you. Onukra one friend Jimmy say, and then Samuel Oku commanded why. And you mustn't tell us your answer. Many of Kumanu Shanyansa. Who Jimmy Dodo? Apo. Now, Jimmy, it will come back and bite you. Because they see as a political power, you are one of the first people that the other party will target. And you can't run. They will make an example out of you. And is that what you want? Basintale, young man, fine guy, potential, heavy. Because of a personality. You made a personality natural. And when you've gotten the attention of the masses, 5K men, cock and hood. Why not? You know, be immune to two. Cock and hood. You know, let me tell you, near me, you know, any panasimo kind, it makes sense to me. Also, why you won't win. Either say, Wokowa, or Mobaya, or to the booby, and I'll be the two ball. Or the ball, or the booby, I bet you what to. Any one of them, what have you done? You've not won. And it made sense. More fire. But you pay for it.
Exactly.
Afenra yako by election. Ewo ayi ablekuma. You already see. The other kind of police in our status at tone. And it was a policeman who started the tone. And they can't share journalists and us. Policeman. And no, you only name the Omashishenti. And me, I had intel 3 days ago. Yentia me call grounds 2 days ago. I had intel. Say, almost you only on funny men on Babano. Almost for Truma. A 2 year. Na police, so police in here. Adenta police commander. Logas was a Lago shoes away. And anybody only they can't shit journalists. A tay. Hi, wabum. The police in a started violence. The policeman who is supposed to be a law enforcement agent is the one that started the violence. Now, if you say it was well orchestrated, I feel mobile police for an actual no one planning. No one planning. You will not say on to me, police protection. And me uncle Kayaba. TNO 3 police station. On to me, my police protection. Nemo do see a cotton 19 police station. Police for moon crooked you. When you be Kojina. Police for corner, I could create you. I could create weapon. I could create any safeguard or the garden. The way and I know Bo be asuno. Obi? Afe na ekoso. Na ekoso. E young Crawford. Eh yabo mo. Na yabo obi aye waso 2019 no. One of them say 2025 beba is here. We are in 2025. And well, you guys, it's funny.
Precisely told them.
Just as some of us, when power changes, no matter how, if you are following me because Ochina to me ba, we cannot be part of that. Just that we will not allow anybody to intimidate us.
Exactly.
You will not be the one to initiate these steps. For that one, I can assure you. Enra, how come see engineer baby? Oh man, yeah, now video no. Danny video no. So they had planned with names. Me, how come see? Dennis Miracle, Kwasinsia of Ayadum team in Adum FM. Anna Jerry Ahmed. These are the 5 guys they were coming for. These 5 guys. Entering a number grounds. 81 of the videos. Ubeho and this guy no. Yamu Bia, how come see Nkwani Abono? Tienye.
More fire.
Tienye.
More fire.
So, I say Yamu Bia, how come see Nkwa? Because the assignment was very clear.
More fire.
Basintale. I Basintale. Oh Basintale na me my platform ma be nipa. And I also boys in them after me. Basintale. Sam George and some na me repeat no matter how long it takes.
More fire. More fire.
You want to be quite a assembly. Maybe I'm in the share you maybe. Meeting. Or say a good general should never be caught on a battlefield.
Precisely.
Basintale. A good general must have a good intel.
Exactly.
And whatever happens in your camp, I hear and I see before it happens. So you will never catch me on a battlefield, but your time shall surely come.
Exactly. So.
If you don't stop what you are doing, for whatever you do, I have an intel.
Pound for pound.
But you will never catch me on a battlefield.
Precisely.
But if power changes, Basintale, we are very sorry, Ghana. Stop the nonsense. You are very young. You are very energetic. Personality is good. Stop the stupidity. You will pay for it one day.
More fire.
We are not weak people. And I heard Omudi how comes. Danny Bono Murari.
They're beating them. Hey, free! 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 Hey! Free! Free! Hey, woman! They're beating them.
It's a police for and yesterday, police for so went to me and stop a boys. Do we are not ready? Hey, Danny Poswa. How Kumsin was not provoking anyone. Ojina baby. Also, one meaning how Kumsin did that. It were your boys in the movie, and they were going straight to how Kumsin. Emma Omobo, even the Kwa Newman, Eka. And the Kwa Newman can be ano. Ombonica. Dr. Muhammad Ubawumia can't see me. Or see, we will not forget. And in fact, we won't forget. And people won't forget. The two main common seven. So here is your mama. The difference we will see between your government and that of Akufo-Addo, and it's a certain commission of inquiry, which brought about hope. Let's see if you will set up commission of inquiry with Ablekumanofo. Oh, we are so osa go ahead. And in such a kratasi, at this bande Kandaha boys. Delta Force, one force, or this money, and the MPP boys in the board or this Monday or more. Young also will go after the same year. If the MPP was ahead of you guys when it comes to boys, and I'm by your boys, can I just boss more kind? What's your memo? You can't see be facing to be facing. And not just in Kodria, no boys have a goof a party coteso. Now Kodria stop him say Debbie. We shouldn't go that route. But Kodria, I'm telling you, we cannot sit down for them to come and total alienation, total succumbing. We cannot succumb to them. Akwatia will be a deciding factor, and they will come to Akwatia. All they are trying to do is to beat you to total total surrender, just so your people will know that we've taken over the country, and it's about the optics. We should not allow. Said the Munya intel say, and you know, you had intel from Baba BGB. I'm sure most of picking intel. Say yes, you are boy and will be unfunny the enemy. Near in a wage and a wage in a house. Near to where we never so much the bad dear. We should be ready. We cannot succumb to them in Akwatia. We can never succumb to them in Akwatia. Akwatia. We should never and can never succumb to them in Akwatia. No. Somebody now must have care for your Akwatia. Muama Sama. But so much for your so in Akwatia. A free menu could be a so. Bekan and B. Ever can the last person. When you number can you a year headquarters. I'm telling you. When your member. Korea. Chassia got the boys in the back. Moon first can come on. Or Mubu of Fumun come rope your way. Rejuvenate the boys. We have them. We have them. Akwatia. Was the young who said your mama? He's not doing anything new. I've a young time, my boys in the dancing who we now omu go pick up a cheek. No more yet. I've a Muntia boy and Assam no canny. Yamu Biaye. Apart from how Kumsin, apart from how Kumsin, so Naminoka say Lloyd, and deputy organizer of the MPP. Had your mother no for more. Had your mother Lloyd or for more. We won't forget. Never. If these people don't go unpunished, your mama, we won't forget. We won't forget. We won't forget. Eti almost so much trevi. But many are not much of war. I make a big I'm a part of you guys.
Exactly.
And why do you guys believe yourself too much? As I'm more. Me no cause MPP 4 boys are no more ye. Remember I gonna cut next. Eti muna modi money moji. Power sense. You will run.
Precisely.
More fire.
Exactly.
Nkansah kakra.
More fire.
The ordinance say you say try power assistance is here. Obegane. Is that how you want to live your life? Our brother Basintale na tena play mo call Dubai. Awaja ho. Who chat nyina Basintale ja ho ko. Basintale ko.
On na cash no ho.
Oko. We to keep them so betu ya o. To me sure so akwaji ni boom free flash star house. Oh, you know, Danny, have a young shay. Let the Mahama administration take a decisive leadership action, decisive action against what happened. I know they won't do it, but let me call on them. Let me give them the benefit of the doubt. Say they will do it.
Exactly.
What if you see a tour baby and never seen Telecochron the war? And our MPP should learn from us. Rejuvenate, read this, read that, and we will be there. Your tour baby 2016 or Mulusu. Danny, Ashanti Reggae, UTV report. Fatcher Omo. Omoma, Chema, your friends, Sami Afutuo. And I said, Omu Ghana from NDC. Omu Shri from Yada see a nyari. Yabi before a nyari. But I know that I can bet you MPP. Korea, when you know, sir, any day, anytime, I'm for you. But I'll tell you what, much longer you feel so you go. Nanabi, you go.
Exactly.
Nanabi, you know, and I know you can do it.
More fire.
I saw that today Samia Oku was writing something to read. Samia, much now, Momuchu fire so Akwatia. You be go.
More fire.
That one you go. There was a munya member. And you hear member me departing anymore. Member departing anymore.
You hear no.
You hear member more departing anymore. Because omunya hunu se member departing anymore. Omun started.
There be.
You know peaceful. A balance of power. When you go to international play power, it is a US for your momo kwa momo ye ammunitions mienu a. Ese ya ma Russia kwa ma ni yebi. Ni ama China kwa ma na yebi. But this one we cannot allow NDC to be a unilateral power in this country.
Never.
Because we can't trust the police. We can't trust the military. Omanebo amawi no kochoro ye. Well done, eagle eye. You have not transitioned from being NDC activist to becoming a defense minister. You think you are still a defense minister for NDC? But power nan come ho. Na nkana ntweni podia wo confirm say na mega.
Nkansah.
So mo hwa do mo dey how come say nra. I'm sure you've seen the videos all over.
Precisely.
More fire.
Akwatia can never be like that. When it happens like that, the NPP leadership has no business being there.
Exactly.
More fire.
And again, my main sounders are warning you. There's a certain trend to be entertained. Sa obi wa yes na yire mra mesi na hey, I don't know. Hey. Mo de sa come on to aba. Try no obi an start sanse mo. Obi enye automatic so obi yiri wo ni ade mo yesa mo entertain social orientation enkofo be sha se akun mu kunu no no munya sanse mu no enye kuna for party munya sanse mu no nyoma ni tutwa
Exactly.
obi wa na ne yiri ne kunu mra me munya agrofo no ade be no
MPP wake up.
Bend them all.
ana tirimu da fun bi ni ade ne ayi Munjarof.
More fire.
MPP 20 NDC we lose here. Mo hwe do mo ye o mo ne fampo. Mo hwe.
For na afi general secretary edema ye NDC amanyuku no. Wo mu nyina eba hanom e na wo ne asante mantema mpanyimfo so wo mu ye meeting na wo ye no wo mo supporters ye be kasa party emma bunu ne bi wo mo no ayo mo se matwofo no eba ha wo mo so wo mo ehu de esi ye ntokwa ba wo ntem ene wo twetwe itu a wo atutu a nipa mienu aboba eka wo dendenden a baako de emprempra ye kasa de baako kura ato a sesi an party fo mpanyimfo mo ho nyina obia edwane efri hanom a sesi police for efri regional police commander wo ababe piem e wo hanom a wo ehwe se kwan be na efa so ai ma sa ya mo bibi akwa ba e de ba eye regional office e de ma National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoku no
Basintale de moya no nura no we me no kasei okay dani dia na obo no sa de omobo wa no fabra na mo hwa hawa the police was aware okay
the police are arriving.
I think we are Shreponi by election. Shreponi.
I'm for the brave. I'm shooting you. I'm Commander, the hard gun. Commander, the hard gun.
Mo fancy wo balance in there. W01 tanku ana ne wofa ase ne Basintale. Basintale so wofa ne W1 tanku. Once a wo ye no, obi asend messages here. Soldier for ne bi abo ato pa.
Fire.
Basintale, you are a young man. Menyan nti yese Mustafa Gbande nso eka ho no mo ye sanse mu. Mustafa, I don't have the matum. Cause me nye mejo Mahama. Ana me captain Mahama. Se tro sha me ho pa. Mentina o me ye mo minko. That one there. Any two things ne besi. De mo be kumie, ene de me koje.